It was such an issue now, this network. It was not just connecting and going on.
Okay. Yeah, but at last everyone is happy. I can see all the messages and hearts for you. So how have you been?
I'm absolutely fine and you tired of this lockdown, yeah, sitting inside the house and stuck like this.
Yes, yes.
Especially here,
How?
I'm all
Yeah,
alone.
yeah. It's been 3 months. We are all under one roof. So what's your experience in lockdown? How are you maintaining your things? Can you hear me?
3 days
Hello,
since.
Alicia. Are you?
Hello? Yeah.
Yeah, I can
Yeah,
hear
I'm
you.
saying that first so difficult because it was such a torture to stay inside all alone and 24 hours. What do you have to do? Like when you're alone, you don't even have somebody to talk to. But then I think
Right,
initially, when just I had
right.
to stay and aadat ho jati and you just get used to it. And even the thing is that you don't have any other option, and in spite of just cribbing it, it is better, to accept it with a smile, and because you don't have anything else to do. So then मुझे आदत भी हो गई,
Yeah,
and I just sort of started liking it, and because it is so long now, so it's like I'm relaxing, sleeping nicely, and just rejuvenating and enjoying myself.
that's nice. So this must be your first biggest holiday as soon after you joined the acting career, right? Am I correct?
This was the first time I had stayed for so long all alone. Like otherwise, I have
Yeah,
never stayed like this, all by myself and like not meeting anybody and all that. But I think I have good, amount of patience here. I stayed inside and I managed it. So I'm feeling very
yeah,
proud
because
of myself.
yeah, you have to be, of course, because it's in the history, not just in this industry, but everyone has been locked out. It's the whole world is suffering, and everyone is
Yeah,
under
true.
one roof. So this is the biggest, you can say, holiday ever in the history also, and
In
definitely we are
history.
going to miss these days
Now I
after.
will never ever in my life say I want holidays or something like that.
I know, I agree to you.
It's a never ending holiday.
Yes,
It's
of
like a
course. It's
nightmare.
almost been more than 3 months, I guess. अभी 3 months से ज़्यादा हो चुका है. So what have
Yeah,
you learned?
exactly.
What you do? How you spend your days?
See, half of my day na goes because I'm involved in my household things. Like if I have to cook or I have to do the cleaning stuff, because obviously domestic stuff and all is not coming. I have to do everything by myself. Even if I'm hungry, the worst part is I have to go and cook for myself. So
I know,
I've
I
become
agree to
such a
you.
good chef by now, and experienced whatnot. And then the half of the
Okay.
time that is left, I am either doing some workout in it, like Zumba, yoga, or reading something or watching something like a series or a movie. And at night, I have
Yeah.
this fixed 1 or 2 hour where I just going to sleep. Usse pehle, I play online games with my friends or family, like some
Yeah.
Ludo
This is
or
how we
anything, some like.
together.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Please
these
say.
are the various things like I do to just pass my time off.
Yes. So you binge for any web series or any series you've been right now? So are you watching
Yeah, I
any
was
series?
watching Suits.
Yeah.
I think I've already four, finished like 5 to 6 series because there's nothing else I can do.
Yeah, I know. I absolutely agree to you because these days everybody is trying to do those activities which we haven't been doing it for years, or maybe we just thought of and we didn't got time enough to spend. So this is the time where we are spending. So
Yeah.
you are here and your parents are in Shimla, right? They are here.
Yeah. No, no, they are in Shimla in my hometown, and I was so keenly just waiting कि कब airports and all, will get open and when can I go and fly there.
Yeah.
But now I'll be going very soon because now every airports and all have started. So I'll be going soon now.
Yeah, now, so you have, yeah, with certain norms of government and Setu
Yeah,
app
true.
and all,
With
of
all
course,
the
we can do
precautions.
it,
Yeah. And then
but
even
still
once
there
you've
is,
traveled, yeah, now even once you've traveled, you have to stay in this quarantine for 14 to 15 days.
yeah, you can stay at home and be self quarantine. That is the best way right now. So what are your next plans now? When the shootings are going to be starting? Did you got any messages or calls for your shoots?
See, I was doing a show, Meri Gudiya, and we were so excited about it now because we had these plans ki, chalo, after these holidays, we all will meet again and we'll shoot again because I still remember the last day that we were shooting just before this lockdown. We were shooting and we were excited कि अरे वाह छुट्टी है because obviously shoot में हमें नहीं मिलती इतनी छुट्टियां.
Right.
So long, we thought it's about a matter of few days or a month most at the most.
21
But
days after
it just kept
everyone
on.
said.
Yeah. So, like in March, I remember,
So long
20th
day.
or 23rd March. Yeah, that was the, I think, last day we shot. And after that, this lockdown started. But then, in like between, we got a news that the show has been off air due to this lockdown. So we all were
Yeah.
shocked
What was
because,
your what was your,
yeah,
so what was your feelings when you heard about it, Sophia?
I was very surprised and I was getting news that many other shows are being off air, but अंदाजा भी नहीं था that even your show will go off air. And when once I heard that news, I was obviously very surprised and upset also at the same time because अभी show को बहुत ज्यादा वक्त नहीं हुआ था on air हुए, and it was still there and there was a story that had to be shown and it had to still go on. But due to this pandemic, show भी off air हो गया, so it was upsetting. But I think एक chapter बंद होता है, then only other chapter,
In this pandemic, basically the teenagers have been into my, and I believe you started your career when you were a teenager.
hear you, and your video is also paused. Can't see you.
No, I can hear you now. Am I audible now?
Yeah. Now I can hear you.
Yeah. Yeah. You started your career when you were a teenager. I got a message from your fan that she started her career when she was just 15 years. I said, yeah,
Yeah.
but today she has a versatile personality. She knows she has the acting skills. That's the reason still where she is today. So everyone has to. So they wanted to know what is the secret behind it. Was acting always in your mind? पहले से सोच के रखा था कि मुझे एक्टिंग ही करनी है.
बिल्कुल I still remember when I was very young, मुझे बचपन से वो कीड़ा था कि मुझे बड़े होके एक्ट्रेस ही बनना है. And मुझे I used to tell mama,
Okay.
pointing at TV कि
Which
मुझे
was
ना वहां जाना है. Sorry, I didn't get you.
right. तो शिमला में और मिर्ची तैयार हो रही थी. शिमला मिर्च was getting ready.
बिल्कुल
The hottest
exactly.
fire was supposed to be in the television industry.
Yeah,
Right.
because it was so much inside me ना कि मुझे acting ही करनी है. I have to be an actress only. And I remember when I was 12 years old, I was in 7th standard at that time. I used to do a
Okay.
reality show which used to come on national television, नाचे गाए धूम मचाए. It was a dancing reality
Wow.
show. So that
That's something. Okay,
your
so
video is
so
paused.
you mean if you want to achieve something, you have to stick to it,
Yeah,
right?
that's right. I absolutely, always follow this
अगर
thing.
कुछ आपको बनना है, सिर्फ सोचना नहीं है, आपको उसको कर दिखाने के लिए you have to put your soul in it, right?
You have to
Because I have
because
seen you working,
yeah.
And what is your fitness mantra? Because abhi pandemic hai, we are not going to gym. But how are you trying to maintain and what advice you give to our readers, your viewers, your fans specifically that आपका fitness mantra क्या है?
See, my fitness mantra is very much on two things. First of all, I drink lots of water, and I think it's very important for our body and skin. And secondly, I am a huge fan of yoga,
Okay.
and I'm a yoga girl. So, I have to do my yoga session at least, for 1 hour in a day. Or even if I don't have that much time, half an hour, And I do yoga, meditation. So I think these are the things that help your mind also to be balanced and, at peace and calm. And it keeps you healthy. एंड आई थिंक बिकॉज आजकल हम घर पर है ना तो बहुत
Understood.
सारी क्रेविंग्स भी होती है कि आई वांट टू हैव समथिंग मीठा और द मिडनाइट
Yes,
क्रेविंग्स दैट
absolutely.
वी हैव सो या
Of
दैट्स
course,
जस्ट ऑल
because
आई
I
वांट टू
feel
से
that sabka share are awakened for the whole night. So midnight munching and junking is there for sure.
Yeah, and you know what? There's a secret. Even I have these cravings usually on everyday basis, and I just feel like having something meetha or chocolate or something like that. So,
Okay.
if you have such cravings, I just want to suggest that you need to have a little bit of that thing, not a whole. Like if you want to have something meetha, just have a very small quantity of it, or
Okay, just for the
in that case,
satisfaction.
any something like that. Yeah, so that you can satisfy your taste buds, and that's it. Just you need to learn where to just stop and where to say no. You just need to know that. And I think that's all about diet.
Yes,
We all need to learn. It's just a matter of saying no. You should know it when to say no.
yes, of course. So now okay, now what about your beauty secrets? These are
Well,
the questions being asked by your fans. You have to answer it truly and very sincerely.
well, I think the credit for this goes to my hormones and my parents. But yeah,
Okay.
I think the most important thing is like, everybody these days, they are very much cautious about, their skin. कि breakout हो रहा है या
Yes.
फिर skin dull हो रही है, dark circle है, this and that. So many young girls also, even my cousins asking me about that. I just want to say to everybody that these are the basic things that happen to everybody. Even the stars, the TV stars or the famous Bollywood actors, when they are at their teenage age, even they, suffer through all those things. But that does not mean that you have to apply some, makeup brand that you watch on TV. You just need to know that there is something fictional, and everything that's shown on TV as an advertisement, you can't apply that on your face in real life. So at teenage, mostly girls do those things,
Yeah,
and then,
understood.
it actually at times gets
I
worse. Yeah, I have,
agree.
because even I have been through that age, so I know how, fantasizing it is कि wow, उस actress ने ना वो वाली cream लगाई थी, उसकी ad थी, so even I need to apply that. That all is just nothing but bullshit. So nobody needs to, just apply those things and follow that. I think the
Right.
best thing is go to your doc, your dermatologist, whatever she suggests you do that, and the best way is do all the natural therapies. Like,
Mother
apply,
Nature.
yeah, apply the haldi chandan ka lep or besan ka lep. So you can apply all these घर के नानी माँ के नुस्खे आप use कीजिए. I think those are much more efficient. These days even I am doing that, yeah.
Yeah, it really works because you can say beauty from the kitchen.
Yeah, true. Because
Yeah,
आजकल
very.
वैसे भी salons are all closed. Even I am doing all those things these days at
I
home.
know we have started self grooming now
Yeah.
because as it is, it's better. So lockdown has somewhere made us, you can say, self sufficient. We don't have to be
Very
dependent on
true.
anyone.
Very
So
true.
this
And
is
this is a
a
very good
important
thing to
part.
learn.
Yes, yes, I agree to you. And apart from this, something about how was your experience when you did your shooting for the first day, your first day of shoot? What was your
Well,
experience and what was your feeling?
see,
A
for
15
the
years old
first
girl.
time, yeah, for
Yeah,
the
first day
first
of
time when I
experience.
was facing camera and everything, at that time, so I was 12 years old when I am
Oh,
talking about
I
that
heard you were
dancing
15 years.
reality
Okay, so
show.
you were 12 years.
Yeah, I was 12 years old. I was in seventh standard I was in. So it was a
Then
dancing
you went
reality
up.
show.
Okay,
No, it was the studio was in Chandigarh. So I had to
okay.
travel from Shimla to Chandigarh for a shoot, and then obviously I have to go back school and manage everything and work
How
and
can you
all. Yeah,
understood?
but मैंने हमेशा सुना था कि when you're nervous you have butterflies in your stomach. That was the first time I experienced it. And I was
Okay,
so like nervous because there are judges sitting in front of me, there's audience, and there's a camera that's, catching you from all the angles, and you have to play along with the camera. And it's your first time, you just know nothing about it. So it
Yeah.
was something very challenging, but पहले बहुत डरी हुई थी, but as just you started doing it, because if you love something, you enjoy that. And I always wanted to face camera.
Yeah.
I always wanted to be on TV. So, once I just started my performance, I always used to enjoy it at the end, and I was like very camera friendly. And then I remember when that was the first day of my shoot in which was my first debut, Begusarai on Ant TV. When I
Okay.
came to Mumbai, and still I was like, I think 18 years old. That was the first time I, shifted somewhere alone from Shimla to Mumbai for work and all. And the first day that I had to
My
go to set,
personal
I was,
question I'll be asking you.
yeah.
No, no, please, please. Yeah, you first you complete because I want to listen. So
So,
your
I
first
was
day
at
was
that
here
time
in Mumbai.
also, yeah, it was my first TV debut. It was
Okay.
Begusarai on Ant TV, and I was very excited because there were big actors. Shweta Tiwari थी, और भी काफी सारे actors थे. तो इन सारे actors को when I was very little, I used to watch them on TV. That I was in Mumbai and I
Okay.
was going to shoot and be a part of a thing where all already known actors are. So I was very nervous, and I was like, होता है ना जब नए नए आप आते हो, you're just awestruck by everything you have around, and you're also nervous ki how to perform in front of everybody. Like they know everything and you don't know how to, like, say a dialogue or something because you're
Right.
just new. But I was very
Yes.
lucky enough. I had a nice director and a good cast. Everybody helped me. They knew that I'm here very young and very new to this. So everybody helped me. And ज़्यादा मुश्किल नहीं हुई. And that is when I learned कि actually when you really want to do something ना, you don't, like, you just do it. You don't have to think twice about it because it's
Yes.
like a once in a lifetime वाला chance. या तो अभी कर लो, you'll get it. या तो फिर भूल जाओ. So when that thing comes ना, you just tend to do it and it happens. So I think that's all if you love
Yeah.
about something about your job. So this is how
So
it just
you were that
happened.
excited.
I was
So I
very
can see the
excited
excitement
and
even
little
today.
nervous.
Yeah. One thing, when you discussed about your acting interest to your parents, because see, Shimla is not next to Mumbai, you can
Yeah.
say, right? And you are right now popular actress for television industry, right?
Yeah.
So how did you convince your parents? Was it easy for you? Or they were
Um,
okay with all your decisions, whatever you had to take? Because ultimately parents की ही वजह से बच्चे आज जो बनते हैं. So
touch wood, but I was always very lucky with my parents and family. Like, they supported me every time in everything. जैसे I told you कि बचपन से ही it was there कि मुझे actress बनना है, और मैं बोलती थी मम्मा को. तो at that time everyone used to laugh कि अभी बच्ची है, बड़ी हो जाएगी तो समझ जाएगी. But
like,
as I grew up, so I always used to say that only if anybody asked, like, there are neighbors
okay,
कि
that
क्या
you wanted
बनोगे,
to be an actress.
एक्ट्रेस बनना है. तो my parents also knew. Yeah, absolutely. Without a doubt, So my parents knew
Okay.
that I want to be an actress, and then they were like, okay, it's your life, it's your decision. If you really want to do something, then we are with you to support it. So, it was because of their support only that in Shimla also, whenever there used to be any auditions, I used to
Yeah.
go with them only. My mother used to go with me. And that was the reason I was able to, whether I was 12 years old or 15,
Yeah,
uh,
that is the main I wanted to
figure
know, because
wherever the
traveling
shoot was,
from
I had to
Shimla
travel.
to, yeah. So traveling and everything not be done for the time. So how has your journey
I
from
can't hear
Shimla to
you. Your
Mumbai?
video is paused. Yeah.
Yeah, अभी आ रही है आवाज? Yeah,
हाँ,
so
अभी आ रही है, अभी आ रही है.
अभी आ रही है. Yeah, so your journey from Shimla to Mumbai was very exciting, right?
Yeah. Yeah. That's my favorite
So,
story.
yeah, that's what I understand with your words. कि आपकी जो ये journey रही है, that is the biggest journey, because it is not easy without parents support, and you've been very lucky enough to have the family support. आपको शिमला से चंडीगढ़ अगर पेरेंट्स लेके जाते तो मुंबई तो बहुत छोटी बात थी. So you stay alone. Your parents are in Shimla right now, right?
Yeah, absolutely. My whole family is in Shimla, and I stay alone here in Mumbai because when I had just completed my school and just, taken admission in college. It was my first year. So then it all happened, and I got a show,
Okay.
and then I had to come here for the shoot and everything. So that's when I shifted here for the first time, and very first time, getting somewhere without the parents so far away and living alone. That was difficult initially, but then, however, just managed it.
You did it that ultimately.
Yeah,
Okay, one more thing, Alisha. Right now, if you see today, the depressions and anxieties are the talk of the towns. Right?
yeah,
Have they
true.
ever tried to rule you in your personal life?
See, if we talk about depression, then I would say touch wood, but not that in my case, because I actually think that I believe, because maybe I do yoga, I do meditation, but I have a strong this, so nothing, whatever worse it is, it can't affect me here. But yes, if you talk about stress, I think stress is mostly everywhere these days.
Stress and
So
are the part of life.
yeah, yeah, it is part of life. Every
Part of life,
day
of
you
course.
something or
Stress
the
तो
else
हर
happens
किसी
that makes you worry.
be it a small child. Yeah, but it has never
That's
ruled
true.
you in your personal
So
level, right?
no, not yet, because I don't allow that to happen. See, I always believe we all have emotions in our control. And कौन सी चीज हमें कितना बॉदर करती है, ये हम पे डिपेंड करता है. तो जब भी इस तरह की कोई प्रॉब्लम आती है, लाइक आई एम नॉट गेटिंग वर्क और समथिंग लाइक दैट, बिकॉज आई रिमेम्बर व्हेन आई told you about coming to Mumbai and shooting for my first show, Begusarai. But my actual journey started after Begusarai, because before that I was not here. I was in my hometown. I was studying well, living at my own home and doing masti. Then I got a show. I came here. Then after that show, my actually journey started, because now I had to stay here, survive in the industry, and look for another work and much better. And those are the things that are challenging. So it's like
Yeah.
आपका ना खुद से ही एक challenge होता है कि you have to do better.
But
And at times it also comes upon as a stress, because if you are a newbie, especially आप न्यू हो, फ्रेशर हो मुंबई में, आपका कोई कांटेक्ट नहीं है, कोई गॉडफादर नहीं है, किसी को आप नहीं जानते हो, एंड देन इन एवरी प्रोडक्शन हाउस you have to go all by yourself and give the auditions, and all those things you
you
have to
have to
work
be,
really
yeah.
hard to be wherever you are today. Yeah, so it's a long journey, and there was stress in between. But yes, I always just told myself that whatever it is, stress है, कोई बात नहीं, आज है कल चला जाएगा. I just don't have to stop working for it. So I kept working every day.
Right. So in your, you were just a newbie when you started shooting for Ishq Mein Mar Jawa. So playing double role character, how was the experience?
It was wonderful, yeah. I still remember when I gave the audition of Ishq Mein Mar Jawa. They had not revealed it's a double role, because it was very much it was like not revealed to everybody. It was a surprise element for the fans, especially even when the show got on air. After a few episodes, it was revealed to everybody that it's a double role. So I gave initially
Double role.
the audition as these two are two different characters. One is positive and the other one is negative.
Okay.
And that was told to everybody that
Negative.
both are the leads. And yeah, one is positive, one is negative. But you have to give audition for the both. So even I gave it for
Okay.
both of them. And when they really liked it and everything happened, and I was called in for the talks and all, then it was revealed to me that Alicia, it's a double role.
So
And it
what was
was like
your positive surprise?
yeah, that was like a cherry on the cake for me. And
Yeah.
I was like overwhelmed. What else do you need in TV? Because television में बहुत कम ऐसे मौके मिलते हैं that आप protagonist भी हो, antagonist भी हो. And for a good channel, for a good show, then I was obviously very happy, and I was like, मेहनत double लगती है यार, बहुत मेहनत लगती है. Because in TV,
Yes, of course.
one
No,
main lead
because
का काम, you have to
majority
shoot
of
12 hours
your
a
fans
day.
have been asking. Yes, I know about it. So television industry
Yeah.
is completely different industry because you have that particular time limitations, right? So how
True,
you,
true.
apart from this lockdown, how do you manage your lifestyle at that when you have been shooting for 9 hours, I believe, sometimes 12 hours also?
Every day 12 hours. No, no, there's no
Every,
day that we are working less than 12 hours. In fact, it's increasing. It's not decreasing. Like 12 to 13 hours are fixed
I
every day
after
that we are
lockdown.
shooting. Yeah. So,
Right.
मेरा जो रोज का routine रहता है when I'm shooting, it's like in the morning I just wake up at 5 or 6 a.m. We have to wake up and then just, jaldi jaldi freshen up होके, ready होके, and I go to set because I have cook and everybody, so they just pack my lunch and मैं खाना भी सिर्फ set पर ही खाती थी. I never had food here at home because टाइम ही नहीं होता था. मैं घर पे बहुत कम टाइम के लिए होती थी. So, I
Acha.
used to go on set and then the whole day I'm there. And at night, maybe at 10 or 11, we used to, get just packed up and then we used to come home. तो 12 तो बज ही जाते थे. फिर आप इतने थके होते हो कि you just come, you just shower and everything and you sleep. तो मैं सिर्फ सोने के
Right.
लिए बेसिकली घर आती थी. फ्रेश होने, सोने. बस.
घर
That was the
आते हो.
only motive of having a house. Yeah, because other than that,
That is, I,
like, you can hear
okay,
me?
Alisha, are you brand conscious? Yeah, I can hear you. Are you
In
brand
my,
conscious? You are choosy or something like that?
no, no, not really.
Not
You
really.
know, this thing,
Not
no,
really.
no, no, not at all. Because I think मुझे जो चीज अच्छी लगती है at times, maybe it is of any brand, I take it. If I really like it and it looks good on me, I'm not that much into, कि इसी brand की होनी चाहिए, Louis Vuitton के shoes होने
यही brand.
चाहिए या का ही phone होने चाहिए, or nothing like that. If I really like that thing, whether it's some normal, not a local brand, but I find it's really nice and looking good on me, I will take it. So I'm not that much into it.
Yeah, yeah, I understood to your words. So that is what something we have to be versatile since you are already taken the hearts because of with your acting skills. So if you have to choose any, you can say role, you are choosy for selecting your roles or something like that?
Yes, yes. I'm very choosy when it comes to roles and shows. There have all, at times in between also been a negative publicity at time because saying that, Alisha left this character for this बीच में ये बहुत ज्यादा भी हो गया था when I did इश्क में मर जावां. But
क्योंकि
I think
आपने
that's a
दोनों कैरेक्टर
part. Yeah, but I think
because you
that's a
have been
part.
acting, yeah, for positive role and negative role. So it is obvious that doors are open for both the characters. So उसके लिए
Yeah.
which was your chosen one then after?
Sorry, I didn't hear you. आवाज
You
crack
did
हो गई.
मैं मर जावा दोनों characters, positive as well
Yeah.
as negative. And
Yeah.
you got, you can say, yeah, and your fans are, you loved you in both the characters. But when it comes to Alisha, what would you choose to be?
See, if it comes to me, which character I loved out of the two, I would say
Yeah,
both the characters
positive
were
or negative?
equally important, and I loved both of them. But मुझे करने में ज्यादा मजा आता था the negative one, the Tara one, because
Okay,
she was such a a vamp,
talented
but a
character.
fashion diva and serial psycho killer who just talks with her eyes and has something else only, style of walking and talking and everything. So I used to
And
have fun when
baggy
I
sort of.
used to play that. Yeah. And
Yeah.
Arohi जो दूसरा character था, that was very similar and connective. वो हर show में कहीं ना कहीं हमें दिखता है वैसा character. So
हाँ.
Tara was something very different, different, and I used to enjoy doing that. But if it
Yeah,
comes on choosing one to play, there is when, at times we also suffer little problems as an actor, क्योंकि we at times want to do lead. एंड हमारे टीवी में क्या होता है, लीड अक्सर पॉजिटिव ही होता है, नेगेटिव नहीं होता. So there comes when you have to choose
positive me.
between the one. Then mostly we have to choose only the positive one because she's the lead of the show.
Yeah.
So there are also times like this that we have to say no to the negative characters because they are antagonists, and there's protagonist who will be the leading lady. So that times I have to say no. to the characters I
Yeah.
like.
Yeah, that is. Okay. Now coming towards fashion. What is your fashion statement? Fashion mantra for you?
I think confidence. It has
Okay.
always been like that. Like, no matter whatever you're wearing, it's Western or it's Indo-Western, it's Indian or it is in the trend or it is out of trend. If you're confident enough and you're wearing it, you look good in it. And if you're not confident and you're wearing something, so expensive and in trend, you'll not look good because it's all that confidence. It only
Yeah.
matters. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Because I told your fans just so you were the brand ambassador for my Perfect fashion exhibition, fashion runway. So you yourself is a versatile personality, not just for fashion, it's for complete lifestyle. And when it comes to, since we have been into the beauty pageants also, Perfect Mrs. India, Perfect Miss of
Yeah.
India. So now since here your viewers, your fans are here, so what would be your one tip for the contestants who compete for Perfect Mrs. India, a platform for married women? Now, how important life changes after marriage, and you are an unmarried bacha, but still you can give me some tips for those married women.
Yeah,
Yeah.
to
So what
all
is
those
marriage according to
contestants, to all those contestants, I just want to say very congratulations because this is also a very big thing that after marriage, have reached to a certain level. Like, if you, when you're performing in this thing, because in India, otherwise, I personally believe ऐसा thinking ही नहीं होनी चाहिए कि after marriage आपको क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है उसमें आपको बहुत सोचना पड़ता है. I think that this concept only should not be there because हम कभी expect नहीं करते ना कि the men after marriage will they work or will they not work. It is obvious that they'll work after marriage.
yes,
So
yes,
that should
obvious,
be obvious with the girl as well. That फिर
right?
लड़की का क्यों सोचना हमें पड़ता है कि will she be doing modeling or will she be doing something related to fashion diva or something. So I think that concept only should not be there. But in India, because people think too much about girls after getting married, so when we have this platform of perfect women and especially this femina of Mrs. Wala coming up, I think it's a
Perfect.
very good, yeah, I think it's a very good platform offered by you to all of them, all those women, and again to regain that confidence even after marriage that they are
Yes.
something and they are some hot shot and they can do something.
Yes,
And
absolutely.
in
Because
fact,
this is,
when,
yeah,
yeah,
I totally agree to your words because marriage is all about gaining more and more confidence. Young girls से ज़्यादा आजकल
true.
married women को confidence होता है. सिर्फ इतना होता है कि
Yeah,
वो
yeah, yeah,
बाहर नहीं
and
आ
that's
पाते.
true.
Still lacking their confidence. That's it. Otherwise
Yeah,
लड़ने के लिए
and
कहीं
this
आने
is,
के लिए
yeah, yeah, true. But this is what I'm
घर
saying.
से
If I have to give them a piece of advice, I would just say that ये confidence जो है ना, इससे अगर आप maintain रखते हैं, you can reach anywhere, no matter you're married or no. And the other thing is that don't get into too much of outer beauty. Like, it is important to stay fit. It is important to have a healthy skin. But don't get too much, obsessed by this outer beauty thing. And I would prefer just do meditation, do yoga, and let your inner beauty also smile. Because I think if your inner beauty is, flawless, you will absolutely look flawless from the outside. So just believe in yourself and have
yes.
confidence. I
Since
think these
now
two
these
things can
marriages
get you
are
anywhere.
two families. They're Mecca and Sasural. So they have to be more and more polished, more and more of
Yeah,
confidence. Yeah, because the support system is from both the ends. So
true.
you have double power for them, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now where will we see Alisha next?
Well, maybe very soon in some. I'm also very, keen right now for something digital because I've not yet
Yeah,
explored
you
web
have
in
given
web
that interview
series.
Perfect Woman ke cover ke liye that I want to try. I want to be more digital
Yeah,
now.
yeah.
Right.
Because I want to explore even that. I have tried in this music video. I just came up with a new music video, Khamoshiyan. That was my very first. And
Okay.
PV I've already done. And obviously I'll do more, but I want to also try something different now. So maybe
Right.
some web series or something like that.
Something because that goes all around, and as it is, Alisha's fans are all who you can say if you search for the fans, the list is unlimited. I've been getting hundreds of people's everyday messages. Please tell her to connect with us. Please tell her what is her next project. So I keep on telling them, yes, when I meet her, definitely I'm going to convey your message to them. So they all are excited. I feel your Egyptian fans have been continuously asking me when are you going to Egypt. I believe अभी तो लॉकडाउन के बाद ही होगा जो
लॉकडाउन के बाद इनफैक्ट 2020 में तो मैंने डिसाइड किया मैं कहीं नहीं जाऊंगी. नेक्स्ट ईयर डेफिनेटली आई विल गो.
या अभी तो कुछ कोई पॉइंट ही नहीं. एवरीवन हैज टू बी, इनफैक्ट वी एडवाइज एवरीवन टू स्टे होम इवन इफ द फ्लाइट्स आर ऑन. इट इज एडवाइजेबल फॉर एवरीवन टू बी
अनलेस एंड अंटिल इट इज एन इमरजेंसी. प्लीज डोंट गो. स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ. या
Stay safe, absolutely. वही मुझे पूछना था. और that is, thank you so much, Alisha. It is really very nice to have you, and I always want you to be a part of Perfect Woman as you are a family.
Thank you for having me as a part of it and associated with such a nice and good brand that gives women such a beautiful platform. So thank you for having me here. And it was lovely talking to you, yeah. At least I had somebody to talk to.
Last but not the least, one message for all your fans, all my readers, all the viewers from Perfect Woman.
See, I would just love to say to everybody out there that, we know that all of us are suffering from a huge pandemic. The whole, country, the whole world is suffering. So the best thing right now we can do is please stay home, and until and unless it's an emergency, do not get out, and follow all the basic guidelines by government. And take care of yourself, boost your immunity, and stay home. I love you all. Stay blessed. God bless you. Keep smiling.
Thank you so much, Alisha. Thanks again to be a part of Perfect Woman magazine. Stay safe, stay home, and we'll be live again very soon.
Yeah, I'm sure very soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Yes. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care.